Hello, today's application that I'm going to talk about is Notion. Notion, hands down, is my favorite application when we're talking about productivity. Notion is a multifunctional workspace available on all platforms. To say this is iOS notes on steroids would be an understatement. It is a fully customizable workspace where you can create your own database, fine-tuned to your needs. It also has templates ready for you to use. You can use it for note-taking, knowledge and data management, project and task management. So for example, I've made my own customizable to-do list. I've added the columns such as notes, difficulty, time, and why. I collaborate my data from habitica and toggl, which I've previously talked about. And I input the details. The why column can be used for me to remember the purpose of why I'm doing this task. I have a media and readiness, so I have a list of books I've read, reading or yet to read. I have a status column which allows me to tag them accordingly. I have a ratings column which allows me to see how much I rate the content. If it's an article, I've embedded the link and column. I also have a list for audiobooks, podcasts, and YouTube videos. I use the comment section to input timestamps so I know where I last left off. You can open each individual page also and add further annotations about the content that you're viewing. Another feature I use is I import CSV files from my BEATSTARS account and I merge it with Notion. This is great for centralizing all my data from other platforms, and I combine it with Notion to make my own system. You can use Notion also for project management. So for example, if you're making a sample pack, you can keep everything in one whole system. Add the link, the bio, private links, promotion, assets of the artwork, sales and projected sales, and future endeavors, so you really stay organized and in control. You can also use Notion as a video editing checklist when making content, so you have a clear and concise idea of what you're doing. So to sum up, Notion is a very multi-dimensional and functional platform. You can literally set it up to do anything you want. I only touch the bases on what I mainly use it for, and there are many other things you can use it for, such as collaborative projects with others and so on. It's great as you can use it on your laptop, tablet, iPhone, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, whatever. It's a very fluid platform. Thank you. If you like this, let me know and share it to anybody who may need this, and bookmark it.